probably Smart FM, once known as I Know, are maybe starting to break the record for the greatest number of presentations at Tokyo 2.0. But I think it's good that we get to see tonight why they changed their name and what new things they're doing. So if you just give us a couple of minutes to set up, we'll be on with our last presentation.
それでは本日、最後のプレゼンターですね。皆さんもご存知のように、東京 2.0 の常連ではございますけれども、I know ですね。もともと I know を会社名、社名を変えまして、スマート FM に変えてます。それがなぜ変えたのかっていうのを、本日はシェアしていただきます。よろしくお願いします。
Okay, so please give a warm welcome to Kirk and Dom from Smart FM.
スマート FM のカートさんです。よろしくお願いします。
You guys are probably almost done with your attention for the night, but thanks for hanging around. So, my name is Kirk. I work for the company called Cerigo. This is my colleague Dominic. He's our CTO, and a few of our developers are over there. Just want to do a really quick talk to let you know a little bit about our brand name change and some of the things that are coming up. So, Cerigo is the company behind the site that was formerly known as I Know. And we were originally focused on learning applied to languages, specifically English language learning in Japan. However, we've always had the long-term vision of applying our core technology, which helps people memorize anything in an easy and efficient way, to other domains. So, hey guys, quiet down over here. Take a sip of your drink. You know, you've got to teach the audience how to behave, or else they just take advantage of you. You know. So, I Know, the site formerly known as I Know, is now Smart FM. We basically needed to come up with a new brand name that represented our long-term vision, which was not limited to English language learning in Japan, but to learning anything. And we really thought that the name Smart FM allowed us to encapsulate the way we're trying to change learning from something that's traditionally known as e-learning to something that is much more about the social web and learning streams, and something that's much more fun. So, as we move beyond English language learning, we can show you a quick example here of moving to another language, which is obviously Japanese, which is something that you can take a look at right now. So you can see here that there's lots of different terms to learn. And
oh, sorry.
Whoa. Good move there, Dom.
I got attention.
That's right. So let me see here. Is the volume up? Oh, you got it. So obviously, learning English, learning Japanese, both are in the domain of language learning and acquiring vocabulary. So we were in Japan for around a year and a half, focused on English language learning. We have around 500,000 Japanese users, and we expanded to other languages, which enables anybody to create language learning content across 190 language pairs. But we got kind of bored, and we thought, what else can we do? So we decided to take this one step further and introduce the learning of fact-based information. So here you can see that there's no longer just vocabulary, but there's brain anatomy. So I'll give you a quick preview on some of the non-language learning content we have here. By the way, there's no timer up here for me, but
temporal lobe.
So does anyone know what that is? Too late.
Pawns.
So you're going through the study screen, and now you're actually quizzed on something you saw before. That's the cerebellum. If you drink too much, your cerebellum gets intoxicated, you lose your balance. So basically, that's covering the basic stuff we've done, learning English, learning other languages, letting users create any content they want to learn, including facts. So what we want to introduce now is some of the ways that we're going to help people get content into the system that they want to learn without having the high barrier to having to upload and create tons of stuff. So this is a great, beautiful picture of the semantic web. This is of March 2009. This is the open data that exists on the web as structured data. And what this means is that everything from US Census data to DBpedia, which is a semantic representation of the info boxes on Wikipedia pages, basically all this stuff is in a format that can be sucked into our system and learned. So what we're doing is we're trying to become a prosumer of the semantic web, which means that we are going to consume content all over the web in the form of facts, pictures, places, people, you name it. But we're also going to enable people to create content and be a producer of the structured data so that eventually the web becomes the database, and it doesn't really matter whether the content sits inside our site or anywhere else. It can be learned anywhere. So in order for to participate in this, we are licensing all of the content created by the community as Creative Commons content, and we are strong believers in data portability, which essentially means that anything people want to learn should be able to be stored in a format that's easily interchanged and that users can take the data with them and move to other services. So I'm jumping the gun here quickly, but it's a lightning talk. What is the other things we're trying to tackle beyond just learning anything is learning anywhere, on the go, anytime. So we're developing an iPhone app. We have a few that developers have built using our API, but we are building our own official app. We are going to soon be launching a Facebook app and introducing the idea of learning anything to the international market with a big focus on America, the US. And we are also going to start developing open social applications, particularly in Japan. Goo and Mixi are going to become open social containers, but we wish to basically provide our service on and off the site, anywhere where people want to learn it. So that's it. I don't know if my 5 minutes are up. What? Oh, okay, so let's let a quick summary in Japanese happen. Sorry to... I don't know how you're going to wrap that up.
日本語通訳させていただきます。ちょっとざっと説明なんですけれども、iKnow っていう会社がですね、スマート FM になりました。ですね、もともと日本語で、日本で英語を学ぶっていうのがテーマだったんですけども、その先を行こうということで、この、iKnow からスマート FM に変わってですね、いわゆる、ですね、どんな言語でも、対応しようということで、こういったステップを取っております。で、また、ですね、さっきのボキャブラリーっていうもの、だけを学ぶのではなく、いろいろそういったファクトですね、そういったものですねを、コンテンツとしてユーザーが、提供できる。で、これからはいろいろ、さっき表が出てたんですけれども、いろんなコネクション、データベース、公開になっているデータベースだの、情報だのっていろいろあったんですけど、それらを使用して、これのスマート FM をこれ作り上げていく。で、ユーザーがより使いやすく、より自分からボキャブラリーだけでなく、コンテンツをアッドしていけるような、プラットフォームにしていくと。あとはオープンソーシャルとか、そういったもの、をどんどん取り入れていこうと思っておりますということです。